Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I transformed my beloved mom of 65 years into a modern day mom. So if this is what you like to watch, please subscribe, like, comment and share to reach other people. And to my old subscribers, you guys already know I love you, and my newly subscribers, thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Okay, so guys, while we do this makeup, I would like to tell you the story behind this makeover, and do not forget to stay glued to the end. All right, I have just cleaned her face, because to achieve a flawless makeup you have to thoroughly clean the face after you have carved the brows. So as an old woman, I did not really touch her brows. I just temp the arc area small so that my brows will be given, and then I cleaned her face thoroughly. And right here I am doing my skin prep. I have just applied my serum, moisturizer and lip balm. Then I am applying the Stay Matte primer. Sorry, I will be saying a lot of things on this video because I'm so emotional, and so I might not be saying or listing everything, every product I use for this Glam, but I will be listing them on the description box, so do well to check them out. So my mom, growing up, my mom, she's always a selfless person. All this beauty stuff are not her thing. She always preach inner beauty, and that was the way she raised me. But after my education, I decided to venture into beauty line. And then when I told her, mom, as a nurse, after my nursing school, I told her, mom, I want to venture into business and the beauty line. She was like, oh my dear, after all my hard labor to send you to university, you to study nursing, you graduated and now you want to venture into beauty line. Well, growing up, I've always known you to be a beauty person. You like fixing people's nails, you like weaving people's hair, you like makeup. I won't stop you, knowing fully well I too, your mother, I don't like those things, but I won't stop you. You can do what you want as long as it's footing your bill. Besides, your colleagues out there are doing it too, so you can do it. So my mom supported me. She gave me all her 100%. And then as a makeup artist today, I've been calling my mom to come to my studio, let me make her up for a photo shoot at least, but she has been running away from camera and all that. Well guys, a lot has happened because my mom has an eye problem, the type I've not heard before. Yes, we have cataract as an eye problem, we have glaucoma, but my mom's on the said is uveitis. For 6 years now my mom has been passing through this eye issue, and the worst is that you can't even operate on it. And because of that, she avoid anything light, sunlight, firewood, anything light at all. So that is why she has been running from coming to do her makeover from me. And then I was surprised. This day she decided to come to my studio and said, oh yeah, all your dreams are going to come true today, glam me up. My mom graced my studio seat. She sat down. I was like, guys, I told my student, oh yeah, let's do my mom's makeup. So even though I wasn't really ready, but this has been an opportunity I've been looking forward to, and it's here now. I had to grab it. So my mom sat and we started the makeover. So if you look at her eyes as the video goes by on, you will notice her black eye, the one they call iris or whatever, has turned to white because of this eye problem. When I had my first baby in 2019, we took my mom to Calabar in Nigeria for eye surgery, and after examination and test, they told us that the eye could not be operated on that time, and they placed her on supplements and drugs. And since then she has been managing it, and God has been faithful. So I turned down my ring light and LED lights for her, and we started the makeover. And she was almost closing her eyes so that the light will not be affecting her. What a sacrifice a mom had to show for her child. I really do appreciate my mom, guys, a lot. As I'm saying this, I'm so emotional, guys. So let me just chip this in. If you have heard of uveitis eye problem, have you seen someone that's passing through this kind of thing? How did they handle it better? You guys should tell us so that we'll reach out and have my mom's eye treated. Okay, so right here I am baking. I have just baked and I'm setting her face, so I will not be too emotional and offloading everything. Let's go back to the makeover. You've been seeing from skin prep to foundation match to blending games up to this setting, and I've just done her reverse contour, so I'll be doing her brows afterwards. Yeah, I choose this type of makeup, this came first type of makeup for her because it's easier and faster. Because guys, when my mom came to my studio, it was almost 3 o'clock and I wasn't expecting it, and we had to be fast because I'll be taking her to a photo studio for her to shoot this makeup, because I am going to be enlarging it and keeping it for myself, my dear mom. Oh my god. So back to the makeup. I am going to be using my schoolie brush to arrange her brows, and then I'll be drawing her brows. This I am using the edge control hair wash to tame the brows and to lay it properly. Then after that I will be outlining her brows. So guys, I hope you are having fun and at the same time grabbing the makeup step by step. And so after laying the brows with my hair wash, I'll be using my setting powder to damp and remove any trace of oil or creasing from the edge control. Then I'll be using my Pauline gel liner to outline the brows. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, subscribe, share so that others will get to this, and also help me make this video go viral. And then guys, another story behind this my mom's makeup and photo shoot is that, in as much as I wasn't ready on this day that she finally agreed, but I had to give in my best to make sure that it's given for you guys to see. And when I told her I'll be shooting it for my YouTube channel, she was like, really? I said yes, and I had to explain what that means. You know, moms of the millennial moms, so I had to explain. And then guys, she's looking forward to seeing you guys review on this makeup, so show some love, share, like, subscribe, and make this video go viral for my mom. And so right here, after outlining the brows, I concealed it, and I am using my Avour powder palette to bake the concealer so that I can apply my eyeshadow. Right here I am applying my eyeshadow base, or eyeshadow primer as some people call it, so that my eyeshadow will have a base. And at this point I was really confused in my head because I was thinking of eyeshadow color that I will use, either to go for nude or to apply a little bit of color to make her eyes pop, because she was really looking stressed and I wasn't really ready. I didn't plan it as I've told you guys. So but I decided to choose something a bit attached to her, a color a bit attached to her dress, like the Ankara dress she's wearing. So I used my nude powder shade to cut the crease, and then I apply blue color and tame it with a little bit of golden shimmer. So that is what I applied. Looking at it, is giving already, and I'm blending it all over. Like I said guys, my mom is not looking at the mirror. She's not even opening her eyes because of the light, so she doesn't even know what the outcome of this makeup until after the makeup was done. So I had to give her a small mirror to look closer to see herself. At some point, god, I broke down in tears. At this point I've just fixed her lashes, something my mom has never worn in her life. In her 65 years of experience in beauty, she has never ever applied or fixed eyelashes, but I did it today and she accepted it all for this shoot. Okay guys, this is the look so far, and right here I am doing my finishing touches. I just use my finishing powder to clear the setting powder around her lip areas so that I can apply her lip stain. So I've been making most elderly women up on their birthdays and also on their daughter's wedding ceremony, but my mom's own makeup today felt so different. I was doing it with mixed feelings. I don't know why, but I won't be applying glow on her face so that it will be simple and straight to the point. So after that, I'll be using my Avour lip stain in the shade of 32, brown coffee shade, to outline her lip. And then I use a little bit of my pro concealer shade to highlight the lip, and then blend it everything together, outline it again, and then move over to finishing my makeup. At this point, I'm using a medium brush and my finishing powder to finish the look. As you can see, it's already giving. Here I am fixing it with my hydrating spray so that all the makeup will sink in. And next, I'll be applying my liquid eyeliner to make the eye pop well. Oh yes, I did not also apply bronzer or glow to her face. And voila, this is the final look, guys. I tied her gele and showed her herself in the mirror, and she loved it. It's giving 40-year-old mom. What do you guys think about this look? My mom has a very fine gap teeth. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will be on the comment section. Bye, and see you on my next video.